Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to sign up for Spotify Premium. If you're fed up with those annoying ads interrupting your playlists, or you just want unlimited skips and offline listening, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's easier than you think. First things first, you need to head over to the Spotify website or open the Spotify app on your device. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, I'll cover that too. Once you're there, sign in with your existing Spotify account. If you're new, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create a free account. It'll ask for your email, a password, and maybe your date of birth. Just fill in the details and verify if needed. Now that you're logged in, look for the Upgrade to Premium option. You can usually find this in the top right corner of the website or in the settings menu of the app. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Premium Plans page. Spotify offers a few options like individual, duo, family, or student plans. Pick the one that fits your needs best. Think about how many people will be using it and your budget. Next up, select your plan and you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Don't stress, it's secure. Just add your credit card details, PayPal, or whatever payment method you prefer. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct, then hit that Subscribe or Confirm button. Boom, you're all set. Once that's done, Spotify will confirm your subscription, and you might get an email receipt. Now, enjoy all the perks, like ad-free listening, high-quality audio, and downloading songs for offline play. If you ever need to cancel, you can do that in your account settings too. There you have it, folks. Signing up for Spotify Premium is quick and painless, and it'll take your music experience to the next level. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and keep those tunes playing.